I have a 3-phase carrier heat pump model 38YCC048540 with a PRM board flashing a red light.
Is the LED flashing a code? Slow flashes, then a pause. Count the flashes between the pause. Flashing LED signifies a phase problem.
On these boards, a solid LED is normal operation, a flashing LED is improper phasing, and no LED means no 24 volts, it is flashing.
Disconnect power and reverse 2 leads on the contactor. That flash is indicating that the motor is trying to start in the wrong direction.
The unit was working properly before. All I did was replace the fuse and turn the power back on.
Is this a 3-phase unit?
Yes.
Change 2 of the power leads going into the contactor and you should be good to go. Maybe the main power in the breaker panel needs to be reset?
Is it normal for a 3-phase unit to do this? If it does it at a later date, will I have to switch the leads back again? Already turned breakers off then back on in breaker box.
Do you have a voltmeter?
Yes.
Check phase-to-phase power for me to be sure that voltage is coming in on all 3 legs.
I am not at work site, but all 3 legs had 120 volts when checked to ground. What is proper 3-phase voltage testing?
I bet it blew more than 1 fuse and 1 more is still blown. When checking with 3-phase, I turn the disconnect off so I don't read back through the windings of the unit. I check to ground and also leg to be sure. On the fuses you need to isolate with the disconnect and then ohm across them. If by chance all the fuses are good, you could try and trick the phase monitor board by switching the L1 and L2 leads on it just to see if it tries to start.
Yes, I have taken out the fuses to check and all are good. The disconnect was off and all legs are 120 volts.
Also check the voltages at the phase monitor board where LED flashes. If voltage isn't making it to the board, I bet it would flash as well. Possibly the phase monitor board may be bad?
Yes, the leg going to the board has 120 volts when checked to ground.
I would switch the leads on the board and see if it runs. If so, your board is bad.
Could it be possible that the compressor windings are internally fused to each other, because I pulled the leads from the compressor and checked start, run, common to ground and had no reading?
No, reading is good. You don't want any part of that circuit grounded.
I didn't know since the lead that goes to the PRM board is from compressor.
Now from start to common and run to common you should have a low resistance.
Right. I need to check the low resistance readings of the compressor. My only concern is, would this cause the board to flash?
No, it shouldn't.
So even if the compressor was bad, the board should still let the 24 volts through, allowing the contactor to close when calling for AC.
Wait. If the compressor was shorted, it would cause this flash.
An internal winding short in the compressor.
If 2 of the legs are shorted at the compressor, it will cause this flash.
That's what we believe to be the problem all along, just wanted some type of confirmation. Didn't want to be going in the wrong direction.
Makes sense too. Blown fuse, now a phase monitor flashing. Gotcha.
Yes, and there are 2 units that went down at the same time. Maybe power surge or lighting from recent storms.
Sounds possible.
I appreciate your time. Just have not worked with three-phase that much.
No problem. I am glad I could help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.